Are you about to negotiate with Broadcom? Do you know what tactics they'll use and how to push back? Broadcom takes a hardline approach. Discounts are limited, deadlines are strict, and they often present take it or leave it offers. To win, you need a strategy built on preparation and leverage. Start with pricing. Always anchor low and counter anchor Broadcom's first number with benchmarks or competitor pricing. Use total contract value, especially if you're bundling products, to push for bigger discounts. And remember, quarter end or fiscal deadlines are moments when Broadcom is more flexible. On discounts, volume is your friend. Bundling multiple products or expanding your footprint can unlock higher percentages. And don't underestimate the power of competitive bids. Even the threat of alternatives can shift Broadcom's stance. If Broadcom refuses to budge, escalate. Take the conversation higher up their chain, where executives are more motivated to close deals. And always be prepared to walk away or delay. A credible walkaway is one of your strongest negotiation tools. Watch for Broadcom's common tactics. Bundling products you don't want, push to remove them or demand equivalent value elsewhere. Strict renewal deadlines, build fallback plans so you're not trapped. Expiring discounts, call them out. Most of the time they'll extend. Finally, follow the negotiation do's and don'ts. Do align stakeholders internally. Do get every offer in writing. Don't reveal your budget too early, and never accept Broadcom's first quote. The takeaway? A win-win is possible, but only if you're armed with the right strategies. At Redress Compliance, we help enterprises challenge Broadcom's tactics, cut costs, and secure better terms. If you're heading into a Broadcom negotiation, contact us today.